Now let's learn subtraction using this magical box. Here we have to subtract 5 from 12 or solve 12 minus 5. Put 12 balls on the box. Now let's start. There 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, then 12. Here are 12 balls. Okay, then push 5 balls into the box. Now let's start. 1 ball, 2 balls, 3 balls, 4, 5. Then let's count how many balls are left here. Now let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then so right answer is 7. Now here is 7 balls are left. Now right answer is 12 minus 5 is equal to 7. Yes, thank you.